Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Trisheenarichards. On my channel, I do home decoration and lifestyle content. So if you're interested in those kind of content, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Alright, so in today's video, I'm really excited because we're unboxing and testing out this Fieety V9 cordless vacuum. If you're tired of bulky machines like tangled cords or vacuum that just don't pick up everything, this one might surprise you. It's cordless, powerful, and packed with features that make cleaning way easier. So we're going to unbox it together, put it to the test, and see if it lives up to the hype. Alright, so as you can see, I'm doing the unboxing. Inside this box, the first thing you'll notice is how well packaged everything is. Right here, we've got the main vacuum unit with the motor and dust bin. Next, we have the metal telescoping tube that, extends for easier reach. Here's the floor brush head, which is designed with an anti-tangle roller to help prevent air from wrapping around. And here is the heart of the vacuum, which is the battery. This is the most important thing, you guys. But I'm gonna open everything and just show you guys how it actually look out of the plastic. As you can see, that is the hose, and I'm just gonna give you a preview of everything. Putting it together is pretty easy. This is the manual. I always tend to use the manual whenever I'm putting or assembling things. It is very important. It also saves time, so I would definitely advise you guys to do that. Here I'm attaching the battery to the main body of the vacuum. This is like the most important part, so that is what I'm starting with first. Next, I snap on the floor brush head, and just like that, you've got the full stick vacuum ready to go. But I'm going to show you guys that in a few minutes. I'm just here looking through the vacuum, trying to understand everything. If you need to switch, attachment come off with the press of a button. For example, I can pop off the floor brush and add the crevice tool for the corners, or attach the hose for cleaning the car or high shelf. So this vacuum is it's very versatile. So you can use it for many different things. You can also use it in your car. It also have that attachment. What I really like is the self-standing design, which I'll show you guys that in a few minutes. So when you pause mid-clean, you don't have to lean it against a wall. It just stands on its own. Now let's talk about power, because this vacuum means business. The Fieety V9 runs on a 600W brushless motor. Well, it is 600 watts brushless motor with up to 50 kilopascals of suction. That's strong enough to pull up deep dirt from carpets, pet hair, and debris that smaller cordless vacuum often leave behind. And here I'm just testing it out, and I'm telling you guys, this vacuum is so smooth. It also stays pretty quiet, under 62 decibels, which is more like background noise compared to the roar of most vacuum. So here I'm just placing down the rice, and I'm telling you, this thing, it works magic. As you can see, it's just sucking up all the rice, and this is on the first suction. So this wasn't the highest suction, it was on the lowest. There are three suction levels. This is the eco mode, which is best for light cleaning and saving battery. You have the standard mode for everyday use, and boost mode when you need maximum power for stubborn messes. One of the most important things for a cordless vacuum is the battery life, and this one does not disappoint. You get up to 65 minutes on eco mode, around 30 in standard, and about 2 minutes on boost. Yes, it charges fully in about 4 to 5 hours, and the battery is removable. That means you can buy spare and swap it in for double for runtime, which is great if you have a larger house. The Fieety V9 has a touchscreen LED panel that keeps you updated on battery level, which is awesome. Suction mode, and even alerts you if there's a blockage. It also has an auto mode that senses the type of surface and adjusts suction automatically. So when you move from the hardwood to carpet, for example, it ramps up power without you pressing a button. Yes. And then there's a 7 layer HEPA filtration system. This traps 99.99% of fine particles and allergens, which is super helpful if you have allergies or pets. On hardwood floors, it glides effortlessly, picking up dust and crumbs in just one pass. Switching to carpet, you can really hear the suction kick in. It pulls dirt that deeps in the fibers and even grabs pet hair, which I don't know for sure because I don't have any pets, but based on their description, it is saying that this vacuum is very good for pets. So that's thanks to the anti-tangle floor brush and that strong 50 kPa suction. Okay, so basically, this vacuum is very good for pets. The anti-tangle roller keeps long hair from wrapping around, and the HEPA filtration system captures the pet dander so it doesn't blow back into the air, which is good because this vacuum is like a two-in-one brush attachment. You can quickly go over couches, cushions, and even car seats. But in other videos, I'll definitely show you guys a preview of me vacuuming the couch or wherever I'm using it at, and I'll definitely give you guys more information on that. As I said, you can also use it in your car, on the stairs, and any tight spaces. Okay. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind. On boost mode, the runtime drops to about 20 minutes, so I recommend saving that for really stubborn messes. Also, like most cordless vacuums, you'll want to empty the dustbin and clean the filter regularly to keep suction strong. The good news is the dustbin is 1.6 liters, which is bigger than a lot of cordless vacuums, so you won't have to, stop too often. Who is this vacuum best for? If you have pets, if you love the air pickup and filtration, if you got a mix of carpet and hardwood floors, it adjusts power automatically. Okay, and if you want convenience without sacrificing suction power, the Fieety V9 really does both. Overall, I'm impressed. You get power, flexibility, long run time, and smart features in one package. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the link down in the description box. Thanks to Fieety for sponsoring this video, and thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment what you think. See you in the next one.